Hi, today I will discuss how to import and export the data using positional parameters in macros. First, we will discuss about import the data using positional parameters. Every macro creating time initially start with percentage macro statement, furtherly end with percentage main statement. Middle we have to write any procedure, either print procedure, import procedure, export procedure, sorting procedure. Next, we have to start name with any name. Here I write related name. This is import procedure. That's why I will write import name, any name. You will be write your wanted name. I write my wanted name. Here parameters, references names. In this case also I write my wanted name. You will be write your wanted name. And in this case, in proc import data file is equal to, in SAS procedure we only write single quotations, but in inside of the macros we compulsory mention with must and should be mention with double quotations. In case of write single quotations, error will become. Sheet also I mention here double quotation, don't mention with single quotation. And write with all parameters with references. Here I mention with references, here I mention with references, here I mention with reference and references. Next, calling for execution. In this case, I will import the data, raw data, source, where is source, XLS, data one, demo. I will choose this. Then I will choose this. Demo one. In this case, I have to write complete data in DMK1. In this case, we have to follow positional. Positional parameters mainly objective is to follow positions. In this case, proc import data file is equal file. Out is equal to output data set name is DMK1. Next, C, sheet name. Sheet name is the demo. I choose demo one. Next, get names. I have to select yes. Yes, DMK1. DMK1. Yes, DMK1. Complete data as is. And the complete data. We got. Next, part of the data. Only few variables I have to take here. Name, age, height. I want to take only few variables from demo one and put on DM5A variables. DM5A dataset. Name, age, height variable put on a DM5A dataset. Yes. Name, age, height. I want to import. Nextly, only mail data in DM7A dataset. All variables only mail data I want to import in DM7A dataset. All variables only mail data. Next, how to import export data using positional parameters. Export data using positional parameters. As usually, as I mentioned earlier, initially started with percentage macro statement, end with percentage main statement, and middle we have to write any procedure, any SAS procedure, either print procedure, import procedure, export procedure, report procedure, frequency procedure, all procedures in SAS we have to mention here, any procedure. Here earlier our wanted macro name. Here I write related name export, and also parameters, positional parameters. I I wanted E of G. You will be write your wanted names. Next, compile. Yes, export. Export. Next, execute. Here I write complete data. That is the SAS help dot class data. I will show to you. In SAS help, go to SAS help library, go to class library. Where is class? Class S class. Name, sex, age, height, weight. Here I export complete data in expkg dot xls. Is 19 observations, 5 variables. Data server student expkg xls is complete data. I had imported name, sex, age, height, weight, complete data. I have to close this. Next. Next, only in SAS procedure, keep option right after dataset name. Here output dataset name, but here only input dataset name also write. We have to write. Here also export procedure also we have to mention positions. Proc export out file is the firstly file. Next, input data set with the keep option. Next, export one sheet name. Next, we have to mention sheet name. Here also sheet name. Next, here data first proc export out file. First, I have to write file. Next, data set SAS help dot class. Next, sheet name. Sheet name is here our wanted sheet name. Sheet 1 or sheet 2 or A, B, C. Any name we have to write here. I write related name export 1. Just, but here write only sex, age, height. In this case, write all the data. But in this case, write only sex, age, height. Insufficient authorization problem. We'll get here. Insufficient authorization. Next, only export with export 1. In this case, only we have to all the data, but here only keep 6 page height with the export. Same path, same path. but different sheets. All the data, only 6 data. Is export to 6 data. G dot XLS export one is text age height, three variables in export. Export la all, export one lo only 6 age height, but export to exp page only male data 5 variables. ex pkg dot xls is to export all data. Export one only 6 age height, but export to only male data. It is the export. Same file, we have to complete data, few variables, and only male data, part of the data. Next video, I have